Hello everyone. We are back again with fun Ashanti tree lesson. And today we are going to learn the word Christmas because Christmas is the occasion that we are in, is the season that we are in. So the word Christmas is said in Ghana, Christmas, Buronya, 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 Buronya. In Ghana, they did Buronya Papa. Ghana, they celebrate Christmas so much. There's music, food everywhere. Poor kids get to wear their Christmas best dresses. And the first time, some of them get jollof and chicken all year. It's very sad though. So if you can get your parents to send poor kids in Ghana money for chicken and for jollof and a beautiful church dress, then try and tell your parents, not just getting all the Christmas gifts for yourself. Help to also give to poor kids around the world, especially in Ghana. So the sentence today is I'm going to my father's house for Christmas. I'm going to my father's house for Christmas. Me ko me papa fie for Christmas. Me ko me papa fie for Christmas. In Ghana, house can be a dine or fie. I taught you that in Ghana we have several words for um, different, different words for same item. So a house can be dine or a fie. Okay. So let's say it again. We are using a fie. So let's say it again. Me ko me papa fie akodi bronya. Me kodi bronya. Ewa me papa fie. There's so many variety ways of saying it. Let me choose one. Mekɔ me papa fie akɔdi bronya. Mekɔ me papa fie akɔdi bronya. Or mekɔdi bronya ɛwɔ me papa fie. Mekɔdi bronya ɛwɔ me papa fie. Mekɔdi bronya ɛwɔ me papa fie. Say it again. Mekɔdi bronya ɛwɔ me papa fie. Me papa is me papa, my dad, or some people will say my father, but it's the same. Me kodi bronya ɛwɔ me papa efie. Me kodi bronya ɛwɔ me daddy fie. Me kodi bronya ɛwɔ me papa fie. All right, good job, everyone. So let's repeat it one last time. And remember, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes everyone perfect. So let's say it again. Me ko di bronya ewa me papa fie. Me ko di bronya ewa me papa fie. All right, that brings us to the end of the lesson today. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.